All right, good to go.
Hello everyone, this is Mike from Hunt Utilities Group and Colin behind the camera here, and it's been a while since we've done an update out here at the park at the Practical Affordable ARC. We've started on our light walls. This is the first time we've ever put in the light wall technology inside of a residential structure, and we're very excited for it. What the light wall does is the light wall allows a significant amount of light and solar heat to come in. That in this style of residence with the thermal mass that we have built into the floor allows that to be heated up by the sun, and that retains that thermal mass. Now once we get all of the layers put in, we will be able to retain quite a bit of that heat because we get a much higher R value than you would out of a standard window. We've installed our double window system, and what it is an outer window with a matching identical inner window system. The inner window does not have a screen. The outer system, what this does is it allows air to be trapped inside of here, and it also allows and it prevents much of the radiative heat from escaping. That's the problem that you have with standard window systems. Okay, we're on the outside of the park and you're looking at the outer edge of the windows. These panels are not as clear as a standard window, which is to our benefit. They're obscure, more like a bathroom window. It doesn't affect the light transfer. It does diffuse it some, but that allows me to be able to move around, say at night, and people won't be able to look in as if I had a giant picture window and see everything that's going on in the house. Once you get 3 panels on here, they really can't see anything but just very vague shapes moving, but that does not particularly affect the performance as far as solar gain. Just one other quick thing, if any of you are interested in what's going on, please feel free to contact us. You can contact Colin off the webpage or get our number and give a call. I'll be glad to set up some time and give you a tour of the place. I really enjoy showing it to people, and we're very passionate about what we do here. So just feel free to get a hold of us, and we'll answer any questions that you may have. Other than that, we hope you have a good week, and take care.